Ooh.
Yeah. Oh.
Told him just because it just breaks my heart that he doesn't want my help. Oh,
My sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. We kiss are great.
He will literally climb over. Stop it!
We're going to the YMCA. Yeah, we're going.